Watch closely. This man studied abroad and noticed something surprising. Someone was recycling used brake pads and making over $600,000 a month. So he decided to bring the idea back home and start his own operation. Here's how he did it. First, he placed the used brake pads on a metal rack. Then, he poured gasoline over them and set them on fire. This step burns off the adhesive glue on the surface. After the glue burned off, he cleaned away the leftover residue. Next, he used a grinder to smooth the surface of the pads. Once smooth, he applied a new layer of adhesive glue. Then, he weighed out a batch of lubricating base material. This mixture is essential for producing new brake pads. He placed the cleaned pads into a mold, poured the raw material into the mold, and compressed it under high heat and pressure. Just 2 minutes later, 4 semi-finished brake pads were ready. He trimmed off any excess material or rough edges. Then, he sprayed the pads with black paint to give them a clean, finished look. After painting, the pads were baked in an oven to cure. Once baked, he gave them one final polish. At last, he applied branded labels, packed the finished pads into boxes, and prepared them for global shipment. Thanks to this smart recycling process, he now owns a small factory and earns over 2 million Pakistani rupees every month.